In this lesson, we'll learn about pagination in repeaters. You can see a repeater card with 6 items on the canvas. In the Style pane, check Paginate and set items per page to 2. Then drag in a rectangle to create a pagination button and label it Previous. Duplicate the button and label Next. Create pagination buttons labeled 1, 2, and 3. Add a click interaction to the previous button, then select Set Current Page as the action. In the Page dropdown, select Previous. Copy and paste this interaction onto the Next button and choose Next in the Page dropdown. Copy and paste the interaction to button 1. Select Value in the Page dropdown and enter 1. Set up buttons 2 and 3 the same way. Preview the prototype. When you click Page 2, the card changes to Page 2. Clicking Page 3 changes it to Page 3. Clicking the Previous button moves the card to the previous page, and clicking the Next button moves it to the next page.